Hello and welcome to this video. Today, I'll guide you through a simple step-by-step tutorial on how to connect ConvertKit and Typeform using Zapier. First, log in to your Zapier account and click Create. Then select Zaps. For your first trigger, search for ConvertKit and add it. After that, search for Typeform and add it as the second trigger. Now it's time to link your accounts. In the side panel, click Sign In for ConvertKit. You'll need your secret API key. To get it, open ConvertKit, click Account, then Settings, and navigate to the Developer option. Copy your secret API key, return to Zapier, paste it, and continue. Next, repeat the same process for Typeform. Click Sign In, connect your account, and configure the settings as needed. Once everything is set up, click Publish, and you're done. You've successfully connected Typeform with ConvertKit. Thanks for watching.